Look at this guy. Georgie Porgy. That's my buddy. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's George. That's George. This is, I don't know who this is. But this is George right here. That's my buddy. And he's running off. Come on, George. There you go, buddy. And this one, I don't know where this one came from, but obviously related to George. Meow meow. A couple of butterballs right here. Just want to be petted. And here comes Milo. Got both of his ears bobbed. One ear he lost to frostbite. The other ear, Pennsylvania Pets. And there's another friggin' cat. I don't know where this one's from either. Georgie Porgy! Yeah, there's George. That's my buddy. Whenever I'm standing out here on the deck and talking, he comes running. And apparently all these other cats smelled the cheeseburgers I was cooking up and they want some. Got lots of cats. There's George. There's my buddy. Milo. Oh, Milo, I'll get you. Yeah. Yeah, I got cats out here. Georgie Porgy! Smile for the camera. Milo, you schmuck. That's enough of that. Georgie Porgy!